All right, they want us to find what 9 cups, 7 pints, and 2 quarts is in terms of base 2 number of cups.
Oh, okay.
That's all they're asking us in this question. So 9 cups, remember 2 cups equals a pint, so this is 14 cups. So it's 9 plus 14 plus, and 4 cups equals a quart, so that's 16. So in total I have 39. I want to write 39 in base 2.
4 cups equals, wait, what? 4 cups equals 1 quart.
4 cups equals 1 quart. So 4 quarts would be 16 cups.
Okay.
1 pint equals 2 cups. So 7 pints is 14 cups.
Okay.
You understand? So that's how many cups I have. Now they want us to write, this is in base 10. We want to write it in base 2. So do your thing.
Wait, where did you get 16, buddy?
4 times 4.
Oh.
4 quarts, and each quart is 4 cups. So there's 16 cups. There's 14 cups, and here there's 9 cups. In total, there's 39 cups. So we have this is base 2 math right here. So I've got 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. Right?
Why did you stop at 32?
Because my number is 39.
So you need to go to, oh, never mind.
I don't need to go to 64 because that's too big. So I need 132, and now I've got 7 left. I need 0 16s. I need 0 8s. I need 1 4. That gives me a total of 36. I need 1 2.
Oh, buddy.
Oh,
Totally don't know what you're doing.
let me back up because I feel like I'm going too fast. So I want to write 39 in base 2, 39 base 10 in base 2. So here's the way I like to do it. I write out all of my digits. This is my 1s, this is my 2s, this is my 4s, this is my 8, my 16, and my 32. That's what it means to be in base 2. I don't have to write the next one because that would be 64, and 64 is bigger than 39. So I don't write that. But I do need 32. I need one of these. So far I've got 32. Plus, how many 16s do I add to that?
0.
I don't want any of those because that'll put me over 39. Same with 8. I don't want an 8 because that'll put me over 39. I do want 1 4. Remember, my only options are 1 or 0. Because base 2, your only digits that you can use are 1 or 0. So I'm adding 4. Now what does that put me at in total?
36.
36. I need how many more? Look at what I want. I want 39. So do I need a 2? If I add a 2 to that, will it put me over 39? It will not put me over 39. It'll put me at 38. And I need a 1 also to put me at 39. So the number of cups that I need are 1 0 0 1 1 1, and that's written in base 2.